So, I recently entered a giveaway, and surprise, surprise, I won something. Now, the giveaway specifically was from Scorptec on Instagram, and I won an AOC monitor. Now, I must say, I have no affiliation with Scorptec. To be honest, they didn't actually know it was me. So, I'm going to be reviewing this. It's 1440p, 165Hz, and costs around 420 bucks on sale right now, 320 at Scorptec. So, if you want to pick this up, maybe it's a good option. So, I will now be running a 2-monitor setup, which is quite nice, but I will have to upgrade my 1650. And I'm thinking that I upgrade to a 3060 Ti. Inside we have a manual, a DisplayPort cable, a power cord, the monitor stand, another little monitor stand that connects to the other one. This built high quality, and then inside I believe we have the monitor. We do. And it is packed very well. Okay, so the instructions said to put the stand on first. Impressions of the stand. Nice design, quite simple. It's got a hole for cable management, and that can move up and down, I presume. It is curved, so if you like that, then this might not be a bad option. I would recommend you go follow Scorptec on Instagram, Scorptec_computers, because they will probably do more giveaways in the future, and you might just win one. Essentially, I have a new monitor. Alright, so I got my monitor all plugged in, set up. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than my 24-inch, but that is alright, because it still fits my desk. I'm still getting used to the curved factor, but as you can see, it's working. And 1440p looks so much better than 1080p, obviously, because it is an upgrade. So, just personally, I love it. Currently, we're running at 60Hz. Now, my other monitor tends to make that really high-pitched frequency sound, and it's quite annoying, so let's see if this doesn't do it. It doesn't make any noise, which is great. Okay. I'm happy with this. This looks really good. So let's just see if we load up Valorant. Let's see what the color and everything looks like. And also see how my 1650 performs, because I feel like I'm gonna have to upgrade because it is a pretty crap graphics card. So you've got this menu, and it's fairly intuitive in terms of what button to press and what not to press. So that's its peak brightness. I'd say that's pretty bright. I don't think I need it that bright right now. It's got an eco mode, so that's all good. Alright. Now, color is a lot more vibrant than my other monitor. I feel like that was a pretty average deal, the other monitor, but this one's color looks quite vibrant. Or it could just be the fact that it's 1440p. Okay, I have to get used to the curved display. Now, in terms of ghosting, I can't really see any. There might be a little bit of artifacting, but aside from that, I think we're good. No, we don't talk about that. Thank you for watching TechBiz, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.